Wala nang hook! Kailangan pa ba ng hook? Ang baba naman ng mga attention span nyo. Yan, kakascroll nyo ng scroll away, scroll away. I'm using Sunbound from Dear Face for my tinted sunscreen. Napakaganda nitong base. Like, ang bilis niyang mag-blend. Probably make a 3-part video, so I'm going to focus on the base. So this is from Get Ready With Me in Fresh Matte. Medium peach yung shade niya. Ang halata, nakakagising lang halos. Namamaga pa ang mata, yes. This look will be perfect for Christmas. Yung gusto ko yung medyo settle lang, pero like, you know, it's there. Get Ready With Me Fresh Matte in neutral green. So, just to cover up the redness. Hindi masyado visible sa camera, pero nakikita ko in real life. This one, I'm going to blend using my fingers para mas mabilis. Miss May, baka naman, lagi kong pinifeature yung product. But honestly, guys, ang ganda naman kasi ng product ng Get Ready With Me. Bagay siya sa oily skin ko. Daily Skin Tint in Creme. 1 pump lang yung ginawa ko. And since nagmamadali ako, mabilis lang din. Igaganong ko lang. It is so easy to blend and it looks really seamless. Tropic Tan from Popic. So, ito yung pinili ko yung pinaka-darkest shade muna. Blend. Tap very lightly. Tapos, nalagay lang natin dito. Then, I'll use Pacific Punch for the blush. Since Christmas nga, diba? So, kailangan medyo may pop of color. Since ito yung unang nakaka-capture ng camera, kailangan sa middle natin ilagay. This blush is so pigmented. Setting this using the Stay Footloose setting powder from Popic in shade Dune. Next video, I'm going to do my eye and eyebrow look. So, stay tuned on that.